another Toyscoveries video. In this video, we are gonna unbox this gigantic Lego Duplo box. So let's go. In here, there are lots of pieces that we're going to assemble. Let's see what this box contains. Wow, this is a booklet of what the box includes. So this is what we're gonna assemble. This is an elephant, a giraffe, a lion, and this looks like a dinosaur. Wow, and it has teeth. So let's get building. Oh, we have these pieces, and we have some more pieces over here. Oh, and a bunch of little carts with wheels. How cool. Okay, so we're gonna spill these out, and we're gonna put our box set to the side. So we have some pieces over here. So let's start from the first one, which is this elephant. Let's try to build the elephant. But before we start building, we need to open up these. Wow. And this. So many pieces. Okay, so I spot the giraffe's head, so we'll put that to the side. Oh, this is the slide that we saw in the picture, and it looks like it's going to be the elephant's trunk. This has the same color as the elephant, so we're gathering all the blue pieces. This is a blue piece with red wheels, so we're putting it with the rest of the blue pieces. Some more blue pieces. This one and this one. Ah, we found the elephant's head. Oh, you guys see? He has an eye and an ear and a tusk, and this is its mouth. So we'll put these blue pieces to the side. Oh, one more. Over here. And one more over here. Do you see any more blue pieces? I don't. So let's push these to the side. And let's get to building our elephant. So first we have the wheels. And then we need to put the feet. You can use these. And this over here, and then it says we can put this dark blue piece like that, and then we're gonna use our slide in the front to create the elephant's trunk. A long nose. An elephant has a trunk to use as a hand, and it's also a nose. They smell things and they're able to grab things. And now we're gonna put our other piece over here. Another one over here. And the elephant's head right here. And we've made an elephant out of Lego Duplos. Let's see if it looks like the picture. I'd say it does. The elephant's head, the body, the legs, and the elephant's trunk that we're gonna use as a slide later on when we're done assembling. Let's put this further back and continue on to our next cart, which is, the next animal is a giraffe. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, a cool fact about elephants is that elephants are the largest land animal. So let's set it over there and move on to our next animal, which is the giraffe. So a giraffe is yellow, as you can see. So let's gather all our yellow pieces. This is yellow, so we'll place it here. The giraffe's head. This is also yellow. This is yellow. This is yellow. Over here, there's also a bunch of bananas on this Lego block. Oh, this has a little bit of yellow, and it seems like it would be the giraffe's neck. Over here, this piece is yellow, and this one here. Do you see any more yellow pieces? I don't. Let's look at our picture. So we're gonna assemble this over here, this giraffe. So first we have our base, and now we're gonna put this piece over here on top for the legs. And now we're going to put the neck right here. Wow, it goes back and forth. How cool is that? So the giraffe can bend on either sides. And now we're gonna put the head. Aw, look at the giraffe, it's so cute. It's smiling too. It has eyes and the ears and the horns and brown spots. Aw, that's so cute. Let's see if it matches our photo. We built the second one in line, which is this one. This is a giraffe. Oh, and this one here, I don't think it's for the giraffe. I think it's for a different animal, so maybe we should set it on the side for now. And this piece is to go down the elephant slide. So we'll put this to the side, even though it was yellow, and we gathered it for our giraffe. And this one too. And this one too doesn't seem to have a place yet, but we'll put it to the side and we will continue on and see if we're gonna need it later on. So we're gonna put our giraffe back with the elephant and move on to our next animal, which is, let's see, our lion over here. A lion says roar. Let's gather all our orange pieces. So let's gather up all the orange pieces. 1, 2. Oh, I see the lion's mouth. 3, 4. I think that's about it. Okay, so let's continue on assembling. So these are the legs. We'll put it over there. And, oh, we can use this for the head. I think this would go here. Oh, there you go. Oh, and it's like the lion is opening up its mouth. Roar! How cool! And this is for the top of the head, like that. That is so cute. Roar! There goes the lion. It's all ready to be set to the back with the other animals, and we can continue on to our dinosaur, which is green. Over here, dinosaur is green. So let's gather up all our green pieces. Over here, and this one, and this one. Okay, now that we have all our green pieces, we can start building our dinosaur. we can start by the bottom. We're gonna use this as the feet. Snap that on there. And then we can use one of these for the body. Oh, how cool! By connecting these two pieces, you can make the dinosaur's mouth. Open and close. Roar! Num num num. So we'll put it over here. Ah, this is a dinosaur's face. We'll have to put it in the beginning over there so it can open up its mouth. Roar! Roar! And now we can set, oops, these blocks over here for the body. Like that. Oh, we forgot to put the back legs. So we'll just squeeze it in there. There we go. Now our dinosaur is all ready. So we'll put him to the side as well with the rest of our animals. So now we have some of the pieces that we didn't use to assemble our last animal, which is this one over here. It looks like it's a bird. So let's assemble it. So this is the head of the bird. And these are the feet. So we'll start from the feet. How cool! We made a bird. And we have two pieces left that we can use for them to go down the slide. So let's put our bird on this side and bring all the animals we assembled over here. Let's connect them. So we have our elephant. Ah, says the elephant. We have our giraffe, who doesn't say much. Our lion says, a lion that says roar when he opens up his mouth. Let's see if we feed him this little Lego piece. Roar. Oh, he ate it. And our last piece, the dinosaur. Oh, there we go. Wow, this is such a long Lego train. It barely fits in my camera frame. Oh, and we have our bird and our bananas. So this is the whole set that came in the box. And now we're gonna try the elephant slide. Let's see. These bananas on top. 1, 2, 3, go! Again, let's put it this way. 1, 2, 3, go! That is so cool. And then the bird is gonna come pick up the bananas and take it to its nest. Whee! The good thing about Lego Duplos is that you can assemble them as you like using your own imagination. So although in the pictures they look exactly like this, if you want the elephant to be yellow or orange or green, you can try assembling the Legos however you like and create new things. I hope you had a lot of fun unboxing and assembling each animal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Toyscoveries for more fun educational videos. Until the next one, guys, bye!